Good evening. This is a CNC programming. A part program is a series of coded instructions required to produce a part. It controls the movements of the machine tool and the on-off control of auxiliary function such as spindle rotation and coolant. The coded instructions are composed of letters, numbers, and symbols and are arranged in a format of functional books as in the following example. N10 sequence number. N represents a sequence number. G. G represents linear interpolation mode. X coordinate, Y coordinate. F represents feed rate. Program input device. The program input device is the mechanism for part programs to be entered in the CNC control. The most commonly used program input device are keyboard, punch tape reader, diskette drivers through serial ports and networks. CNC programming. Offline programming linked to CAD programs. Conventional programming by the operator. MDI, manual data input. Manual control using jog buttons or electronic handwheel. Word address coding using standard G codes and M codes. In this program, the position of the tool is described by using a Cartesian coordinate system. By example, if 0, 0, 0 position can be described by the operator, then it is called floating 0. In defining the motion of the tool from one point to another, either absolutely positioning mode or incremental positioning mode can be used. What is meant by absolute positioning? In this mode, the desired target position of the tool for a particular move is given relative to the origin point of the program. Incremental positioning. In this mode, the next target position for the tool is given relative to the current tool position. Structure of a NC part program. Model commands and non-model commands. Commands issued in the NC program that will stay in effect until it is changed by some other command like feed, rate selection, coolant selection, etc. Non-model commands is nothing but commands that are effective only when issued, and those effects are lost for subsequent commands like a dwell command, which instructs the tool to remain in a given configuration for a given amount of time. Information needed by a CNC program. Word address coding. Example CNC program N5, G90, G20, N10, M06, T3, N15, M03, S1250. These are the example of CNC program. G codes. What is meant by G codes? What are the various types of G codes, or what are the various operation by instruct by G code? G not rapid transfer, G not 1 linear interpolation, G not 2 circular interpolation, G not 3 circular interpolation CCW, G not 4 dwell, G not 8 acceleration, G not 9 deceleration, G17 XY plane, G18 ZX plane, G19 YZ plane, G20 inch units, G21 metric units, G42 cutter compensation right, G41 cutter compensation left, G40 cutter compensation cancel, G70 inch format, G71 metric format, G74 full circle programming off, G75 full circle programming on, G80 fixed cycle cancel, G81, G89 fixed cycles, G81 to G89 fixed cycles, G90 absolute dimension, G91 incremental dimension. M code. What is mean by M codes? These are the M M codes instruct the various operation. M not not program stop. M not 1 optional program stop. M not 2 program end. M not 3 spindle on clockwise. M not 4 spindle on counterclockwise. M not 5 spindle stop. M not 6 tool change. M not 8 coolant on. M not 9 coolant off. M10 clamps on. M11 clamps off. M30 program stop. Reset to start. Encodes gives an identifying number for each block of information. It is generally good practice to increment each block number by 5 or 10 to allow additional block to be inserted if future changes are required. X, Y and Z codes. X, Y and Z codes are used to specify the coordinate axis. Number of following the code defines the coordinate at the end of the move relative to incremental or absolutely reference point. I, J and K codes. I, J, K and codes are used to specify the coordinate axis when defining the center of a circle. Number following the code defines the respective coordinate for the center of the circle. F, S and T codes. F code used to specify the feed rate. S code used to specify the spindle speed. T code used to specify the tool identification number associated with the tool to be used in the subsequent operation. Application of some codes. G01 linear interpolation. Linear interpolation result in a straight line feed move. Unless tool compensation is used, the coordinates are associated with the center line of the tool. These are the example. This is a G01 linear interpolation. G02 circular interpolation. There is a many program example. Thank you.